Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Buddy podcast, a place where English feels slow, simple, and friendly. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kabir. We're really glad you're here today, taking a small pause from everything else going on around you.
So, Kabir, it feels good to sit here and talk again, without any rush. So, how are you feeling today?
Well, actually, I'm feeling quite calm today. Nothing extraordinary, just one of those days where you slow down a bit. How about you?
Same here, honestly. It's kind of a peaceful feeling, especially when you realize the year is almost over.
Exactly. That thought alone makes you pause, doesn't it?
Before we move ahead, there's a small note we'd like to share with you.
Yes, today's conversation is about reflecting on the year, which means we'll be talking mostly about the past.
So, as you listen, you'll hear us using a lot of past tense.
You'll hear past simple, like I learned, I felt, things changed.
You may also notice past continuous. I was learning. Things were happening slowly.
And sometimes you might even hear past perfect tense. I had realized, I had learned something important.
Don't worry about grammar rules right now.
Just listen calmly and notice how we talk about things that already happened.
This is one of the easiest ways to improve your English naturally.
All right, let's continue with today's conversation.
So that brings us to today's topic. Let's see, how should I put it?
Sounds interesting already. Go on.
Today, we're talking about reflecting on the year. Not reviewing, not judging, just gently looking back.
Reflecting. In other words, understanding what the year gave us.
Yes, exactly. From my perspective, this time before the new year is not for pressure, it's for awareness.
You know, Sarah, when I think about this year, I don't remember every single day.
Same here. Actually speaking, most days just blended together.
But a few moments stayed. Some happy, some challenging, and some that quietly changed me.
That's true. At the same time, those quiet moments often teach us the most.
Absolutely. For me, this year taught patience. Things didn't move fast, but they moved.
I see. This year taught me something similar, that growth doesn't always feel exciting. Sometimes it feels slow, even invisible.
To be honest, not everything went as planned this year.
Right. And that's okay. In a way, those moments shape us more than success does.
Exactly. Failures, delays, waiting, they all teach resilience.
I mean, when things don't work out, we learn how to adjust, how to continue, and how to be kinder to ourselves.
But let's not forget the small wins.
Oh yes, definitely. Small progress deserves attention too.
Maybe finishing something you once delayed. Maybe starting something new. Or simply not giving up.
Exactly. On the whole, these small steps matter more than we think. If you're listening right now, just a moment. Soft pause. Think about one thing this year taught you.
It doesn't need to be big, just something real.
Believe it or not, even surviving a tough year is an achievement.
So, as this year slowly ends, what do we take forward?
Lessons, strength, and a better understanding of ourselves.
Right. Moreover, we take gratitude too, for what stayed and for what we learned to let go.
You know, Kabir, reflecting on the year doesn't mean holding on to the past.
It means respecting it before moving ahead.
And we hope today's conversation gave you a small moment of calm and a chance to breathe.
And help you enjoy English in a slow, relaxed way.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us on the English Buddy podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, do like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It truly supports our journey.
We'll be back soon with more calm conversations, more listening practice, and more gentle reflections.
Until then, take care, slow down, and enjoy the moments you're in.
Happy listening.